Hey there, party enthusiasts.
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we uncover the hottest products on the market. Today, get ready to set sail on an adventure of epic proportions because we're diving into the world of inflatable party rafts.
And let me tell you, folks, we found the creme de la creme. Introducing the Seachoice 12-person party raft, your ultimate ticket to aquatic extravagance. This isn't just any old raft, my friends.
It's the best party raft money can buy, and for good reason.
Let's talk specs, shall we? First off, this bad boy comfortably seats 12 adults when fully inflated. That's right, 12.
So gather your crew and get ready to make some waves.
But wait, there's more. Check out this large center hole, perfect for those impromptu dips to cool off in the scorching sun.
And with not one, not two, but 12 drink holders, you can keep the party going without ever having to leave the water. But that's not all. The Seachoice Party Raft comes equipped with 4 large storage areas, ideal for keeping your beverages on ice or storing personal items securely.
Plus, with its duo lock system, inflating and deflating this beast is an absolute breeze.
Just imagine yourself lounging on this spacious raft, surrounded by friends, soaking up the sun and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're hitting the lake, the river, or the open sea, the Seachoice Party Raft is your ticket to aquatic bliss. So there you have it, folks. The Seachoice 12-person party raft, the undisputed champion of inflatable party rafts. Don't settle for anything less than the best.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Until next time, stay afloat and keep the party rocking.